Welcome to this new video about how to manage invoicing preferences in HIP. You will learn how to configure them, adapt them to different situations, and modify them according to your practice's needs. The data, patients, and doctors presented in this video are entirely fictional. They are used only to illustrate the features of HIP. Start by searching for the desired patient. In the Administrative window, open the Invoicing Preferences tab. To add a new preference, click on plus and select the applicable law, such as CAVE-G. If you choose third-party payer, the default insurance stored in the patient's profile will be used automatically. You can modify or delete existing invoicing preferences at any time. Only one preference can be created for law. If a preference for CAVE-G already exists, it will appear grayed out to prevent duplicates. In the case of third-party guarantor, you can define the debtor. This can be the patient themselves, another patient from your practice, or a new contact you create by entering all the necessary information. You can also add a diagnosis, such as pregnancy. When selecting a Ticino code, a drop-down list of diagnoses will appear. Once all fields are filled in, click Save to confirm. If you have the necessary permissions, you can adjust your practice's general invoicing settings. From the Settings menu, click Customers, open the Provider Organizations tab, select the relevant one, and access the Invoicing Preferences tab to view or modify the default values that will apply when no specific preference is set for a patient. You can watch video number 6 to learn more about how to securely export your patient's data. For more details, you can also visit our online help. The link is available in the description. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and that it enables you to make the most of HIP's billing preferences features. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.